students of class 10. Today we are in the second part of the chapter Atmosphere. We will start from page number 22, that is layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere are divided into several layers, but there are two important bases of classification of the atmospheric layers. The first basis is on the basis of chemical composition. First basis is chemical composition and second basis is temperature. So first basis is chemical composition and second basis is variation of temperature. So first we will consider the first basis, that is chemical composition. On the basis of chemical composition, the atmosphere is divided into two parts, the homosphere and the heterosphere. So these are the two types of atmosphere based on chemical composition, that is heterosphere and homosphere. So first we will do homosphere. The word homo means same and sphere means change. So homosphere is that layer of the earth atmosphere where different chemical composition are present in same proportion. That is called homosphere. Homosphere is a layer where different gases are present in same composition, that is called homosphere. Next is heterosphere. Heterosphere is that layer where hetero means different and sphere means layer. Heterosphere is the layer where the different gases are present in different composition. Okay. Heterosphere is divided into four divisions. First is the molecular nitrogen layer, the lowermost part molecular nitrogen layer, atomic oxygen layer, helium layer and hydrogen layer. These are the three divisions of heterosphere based on based on their heights or altitudes. Molecular nitrogen layer is located up to 200 km, atomic oxygen layer up to 1100 km, helium layer up to 3500 km and hydrogen layer beyond 3500 km. So clear, homosphere and heterosphere. Homosphere means different gases are present in same composition. Heterosphere means different gases are present in different composition. Heterosphere are divided into three parts. The lowermost part of the heterosphere is molecular nitrogen layer, then atomic oxygen, then helium layer, then the topmost part of heterosphere is hydrogen layer. Okay. Next we are going to the next part, that is according to the basis of temperature or variation of temperature. On the basis of variation of temperature, atmosphere is divided into troposphere. Number 1 is troposphere. Number 2 is stratosphere. Number 3 is mesosphere. Number 4 is thermosphere. And number 5 is exosphere. And there is sixth layer, that is magnetosphere. According to the variations of temperature, atmosphere is divided into troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere and magnetosphere. Okay. So one by one we will read each. So first is the troposphere. First is troposphere. Troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. The word tropo means change and sphere means layer. Tropo means change. So, troposphere is that layer of the atmosphere where all the weather making phenomenon takes place. Now, weather making phenomenon means rainfall, snow, hail, drizzle, everything happens in troposphere. The troposphere extends on an average about 16 km. On an average about 16 km. Almost all changes in daily weather takes place in this layer. Most of the clouds, water vapor, dust particles are formed here. So, troposphere is the layer of disturbances. So, jet plane tries to avoid troposphere. Why jet plane tries to avoid troposphere and flow through stratosphere? Because troposphere is the lowermost layer where all the atmospheric disturbances like water vapor, cloud formation, rainfall all happens in troposphere. The boundary zone between troposphere and stratosphere is called tropopause. The boundary zone between troposphere and stratosphere is called tropopause. Pause means stop. In troposphere, temperature starts to decrease with increasing height at a rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of ascent. Of every 1 kilometer or 1000 meter of ascent, temperature decreases by 6.4 degrees Celsius. The boundary zone between troposphere and stratosphere is known as tropopause. Tropopause means the layer where temperature neither increases nor decreases. The temperature decreases at a rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of ascent. This is known as normal lapse rate. Very, very important. Normal lapse rate. Please mark in your book. Normal lapse rate, very important. Next, beyond that region, the temperature remains constantly increasing and afterwards the temperature starts to increases. Thickness of the atmosphere varies from 16 to 17 km around the equator, 13 to 15 km around 45 degree latitudes. Troposphere is a weather making layer. The upper limit of troposphere is called tropopause. The fast moving wind called jet stream are present in this zone. So again, just a brief overview I am giving. Troposphere meaning change, sphere means layer, it is the lowermost layer, extends up to 16 km. In troposphere, weather making phenomenon takes place, so jet plane tries to avoid troposphere. In troposphere, temperature decreases at a rate of 6.4 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of ascent. This is known as lapse rate. The boundary zone between troposphere and stratosphere is known as tropopause, where temperature neither increase nor decrease. Okay. So, we are concluding this part. In next video, we will start from stratosphere. Thank you.